What is going on, guys? Lottery Sykes here. I hope you're all enjoying your weekends. Let's get right into this AMC price prediction. So first of all, guys, I have this perspective pulled up for you just to make it very simple as to what I'm trying to get at for the first come, first serve point in the video. So pretty much 46 is a lot like 38 in my opinion, and that is where we're sitting at right now. So guys, if you take a look at this right here, right, $46 had all of these touch points to where we then followed out by a breakout. Now, whether it was small, whether it was big, we broke out, okay? And each time we hit those touch points, we were rejected for about 3 times, and then we broke out the 4th touch. And the same exact thing kind of happened back here at the $38 level, right? We had 1 and then a false breakout, 2, 3, and that is kind of where we're sitting at right now. Now, the other day I did say I wanted to touch on 39.50. I was wrong about that. We actually sat flat. But what setup is looking like to me right now, because I mean, there's kind of not a straightforward way to put this right now. We're kind of waiting for answers as to what's to come in this region. But for right now, guys, I think we're kind of creating some touch points on that $38 level like we did in the past, and we're kind of in a little bit of a sideways rough fight. But I think the direction will turn very, very soon, whether it may be 2, 3, or 4 touch points. We have hit twice, and I want to see what's to come. Now, to get into the juicy stuff, right, guys, if you pop over on AMC, the next thing I wanted to go over was the volume exhaustion, right? On the bottom left, if you guys take a look at this number, you guys see the volume decrease down here, and we are at its lowest that it's been in a very long time. And since here, we've been kind of in a decrease, right? Decrease in volume. So 29 million, 39 million, in that region, we are sitting. And usually, guys, not all the time, because nothing in the stock market is guaranteed or 100% of the time, right? But most of the time, when you see volume exhaustion, same with, like you seen back here, just as an example, we had this blow up. Usually when you see major volume exhaustion, it is followed by volume spikes and should match the price spikes to the upside or downside. But in this case, we can only move in the upside. And I want you to take that as just me being biased, right? We obviously can't only move to the upside, right? I don't want you to implant that in your head like, oh, Lottery Sock said we can only move to the upside. I'm just being very, very apish and biased, okay? So guys, you can expect this major move very soon. And like I said, I've been expecting something in October. I thought it would be already happened by now, but we will see come in the month. Personally, to give you a little bit of excitement, I mean, you don't have to take my opinion because I'm just a guy. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. But to give you a little bit of excitement, I'm expecting this huge explosion like we've seen back here to happen again and create new highs on the stock. And I expect that very, very soon, just because of a lot of things matching up. Okay, guys? Now, a couple things I wanted to go over, right? If we go over here, you see the dark pool percentage traded, and we see this non-applicable pop up again for the 8th. Okay, now if we come down over here, we're kind of on the daily chart, so it's not going to be that hard to see. But personally, guys, I think what's happening here is we're trading flat because we're in a very, very, very harsh brawl. Okay, we're in a harsh fight. They don't want the price movement to move to the upside because that's going to increase volume and push us towards those volume spikes, price spikes. And it is going to be a very, very, very dangerous, risky spot for these hedge funds or institutions that have short positions in the stock. Because remember, guys, the big guys may not get margin called, but if the little guys who shorted get margin called one after the other, it is going to lead all the way up to the big guys getting smacked with a margin call. Okay, guys? So that's one thing I wanted to go over. Also, this dark pool volume percent isn't really, I mean, we know for AMC the percentages that it's at, but it should not look like this. Okay, so obviously we know suspend dark pools, ban payment for order flow, but right now to look at the small side of things, I do think personally come Monday, we need another test on that $38.50 level and see where we go from there, guys, right? We could break out on this third test and move to the upside. Where we're going to move from there, I'm not really positive. I need to see a break of 40 as well. And kind of where we're going, I 90% trust that we see an upside from here, okay, guys? Just sit pretty. Obviously, don't have every single penny you have into one stock. I personally wouldn't play the options chain. I personally have a free Discord link in the description where we talk stocks. I don't know why I threw that in there, and just if you want to press that, join up. It is free. Anyway, guys, for small term price action, that is what I'm looking at as for AMC. Now, if you think anything else as for price action or have any questions, just drop a comment below. I like talking to you guys in the comments, and I like just hanging out and conversating with the community. All I ask you for is a like on the video, and that is pretty much it, guys. If you want to subscribe and join the family, you are very welcome with open arms into the Lottery Stocks fam. Join the community, smash that like button, join the free Discord. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.
A hooligan, how we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.